To import crypto in Python, you need to have the necessary libraries installed. The most commonly used library for cryptography in Python is pcryptodome. You can install it using pip by running the command pip install pcryptodome in your terminal. First, you need to import the necessary modules from the library. You can import the hash functions by using from crypto hash import SHA-256. This will allow you to use the SHA-256 hash function in your code. Next, you can use the hash function to hash a string. For example, you can use the code h equals SHA-256.new data in code to hash a string. The new method creates a new hash object, and the encode method is used to convert the string to bytes. Then you can get the hashed value by using the hexdigest method. For example, you can use the code hashed _ data equals h hexdigest to get the hashed value as a hexadecimal string. You can also use other hash functions like SHA-512 or MD5 by importing them from the crypto hash module. For example, you can use from crypto hash import SHA-512 or from crypto hash import MD5. In addition to hash functions, you can also use the pcryptodome library to encrypt and decrypt data. You can use the crypto cipher module to encrypt and decrypt data using different encryption algorithms like AES. To encrypt data, you can use the code from crypto cipher import AES and then create a new AES cipher object using the code cipher equals AES.new key AES mode _ECB. The key should be a bytes object of length 16 or 24 or 32. Then you can use the encrypt method of the cipher object to encrypt the data. For example, you can use the code encrypted _ data equals cipher encrypt data to encrypt the data. To decrypt the data, you can use the decrypt method of the cipher object. For example, you can use the code decrypted _ data equals cipher decrypt encrypted _ data to decrypt the encrypted data. It is also important to note that you should always handle exceptions when working with cryptography in Python. You can use try-except blocks to catch and handle any exceptions that may occur. In summary, importing crypto in Python involves installing the necessary libraries and importing the necessary modules. You can use the pcryptodome library to hash, encrypt and decrypt data using different algorithms. Always handle exceptions and use the libraries in a secure way to avoid any potential security risks.